Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do another purple bloom. I'm in the mood for purple today. I just love how they all come out so different. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new one. And thanks for subscribing. All right, so today I'm going to use purples. So this one's opaque. I'm going to put it on the bottom. And I'm going to blow it with my breath. I did the last one with my breath and it seemed to work better. I don't know why. Could be just the way the paints are down. But it's a Royal Purple by Arteza. Put a bit of gold. I'm going to put the gold twice. 24 karat gold. Depends, sometimes the gold comes out a lot, sometimes not, but I'm going to put more on the top. Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Royal Pearl Lavender by Arteza. I forgot to put more gold. Put a little bit more of this down. Okay, let's see what we get. This is not. Take my glasses off. Yeah, that came out pretty good. Got a head rush from that. Well, that came out nice. Let the middle relax a little bit. Okay. Give her a spin. It's looking good. Push it this way a little bit. All my recipes for my bloom technique are in the description under the video. It's not moving. Okay, I think that's it. Maybe one more. And I gotta go have some lunch. Yeah, it's really pretty. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody. I really liked the last one I did, so I'll show another one. That's my Glidden Premium. Oh, which one did I put down first last time? Oh my goodness, I can't remember. This one's opaque, so I'm going to put it on the bottom. A little bit of 24 karat gold. That first one was Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. Teza Royal Purple. Permanent Blue Violet. lavender pearl. A little more gold. That's mud. Okay, and then this one is Pearl Lavender by Arteza. Okay. Let's try my breath this time. Oh, that worked good. Okay, that worked really good. Holy moly. It's amazing. Sometimes it works better. I wonder if it's just the way you lay down the paints. That's pretty. There's a lot of combination things. Blowing it. Cell activator. Just let the middle relax a bit. It's come together. This one's a beauty. I'm gonna go this way a little bit. If you push it closer to the one side, more will come off that way. Push it this way. There, more of that's coming off there. That's good. Very nice. Oops. I love that one. One more spin and then we're good. Put the dried result at the end of the video. If it's not at the end of the video, it'll be in another video. Sometimes I have to post a video before they dry, so we'll see. They usually dry really good. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a good day, everyone. Hi, everyone. Here's my purple blooms. They dried really well. Look how pretty that is. It's amazing. Look at that gold in the middle. It's the other one. There you go. There's a blue one from the other day that I did swipe. It's pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.